Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, and in this short video I will show you which fuse to check in case your power folding seats are not working. This video will apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 all the way up to 2020. The fuse you want to check is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. Now to leave this cover you'll have two clips, one here, one here. You want to press onto both of these to unlock it and then leave the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse to check is fuse number J1, which is located right here. So first one on the bottom, it's a 40 amp fuse, responsible for the power to power folding seats. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider joining and subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.